my channel, Just Ria. I am Ria, and in today's video, we're going to be doing budgeting. So, first and foremost, let me just say I am so excited to start this new series. If you are new here to my channel, I hope that you subscribe. And if y'all have already been here before, welcome back. So first, before we get into the cash stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and put the money in the tray. Before we start, I just want to shout out the person who made my envelopes for me. I will put their Etsy link in the description box below, but they did a really good job. And this is $375 that we are stuffing. Just making sure all of it's the same way, neat and whatnot. Okay. This is my cash breakdown. It came with all of this. I had to buy 8 extra envelopes, but it came with originally 9, I think. But she did a really good job. So this is the cash breakdown. I have 21s, 11 5s, 6 10s, 7 20s, and 2 50s. So I'm just gonna get into stuffing, you guys. I have my breakdown here in my budget happy planner. Oh, and the person who made my sinking funds envelopes, which I won't be stuffing today, but I will link their Etsy link in the description box below as well. But she did a good job too. It's 2 different people. All right, so tithes and offerings gets 30. So we're just gonna do a 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay, groceries, already went grocery shopping, gas gets 50, so 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. House stuff gets 150. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 150. Kiddos, I'm not doing anything in that one today. Rhea gets 50. Skipping hubby today, he already got it. Fur babies get 30. So it's 10, 25, 30. All right, Alex gets 15, so 10 and a 5, 15. Nisi gets 15, 10, 5. And Kayla gets 15, 10, 5. Okay, I missed something somewhere. I did the same thing last time. So let me go back through. That is 30. Self-care gets 20. I skipped self-care. No, I did. I put 50. Okay, that's what it is. I'm sorry, y'all. Bear with me. This is my first cash stuffing video, so I am... Yeah, so Rhea gets 50 and self-care gets 20. So it's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so I am so excited to bring you guys along this budgeting journey with me. As you can see, I am taking it rather serious. I took the time out to buy these envelopes, customize them and everything. So I am really excited. So I will be checking back in, I want to say on a weekly basis, to make sure that I'm staying on budget, and that way it kind of holds me accountable. And then with the sinking funds, I'm super excited to start this house down payment because that's a huge priority for me right now because I'm looking to get a house next year. And I'm going to bring you guys along that journey with me. But I have birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, vacay, quick travel, lawn maintenance, car maintenance, medical, dental, fur babies again. And this fur baby is different from that one because this one is in regards to their vet. This one is in regards to their food and litter. Clothing and shoes, legal, emergency cash, rainy days, savings, miscellaneous. All right. And I got this binder off Etsy too. It didn't come from the same person, but this one did. This came as a package. I bought this separate. We're also not doing the 100 envelope stuffing today either, but I will be including that in the budget series as well. I have my dollar jar that I haven't started yet, but I have started my coins. There is no silver. Oh, there's one silver baby in there, but most of them are brown, so I'm looking to get a mix of it in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of for the first one, but give me time and I promise you I'll get better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.